What's up, world? How y'all doing? It's your boy, the Big Man, aka Big Mike. What's up? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video I'm doing for YouTube, and about to do me a little Walmart 18-inch Subway sub. That motherfucker huge, yo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this whole thing. I ate a little bit earlier, so that lasagna, what I had earlier, like around 4 o'clock, is still sitting on swole. You know what I'm saying? I'm still eating good, regardless of this COVID, all that bull crap, man. Man, look this here. We need to get rid of Donald Trump this election, yo, for real. It's like it feel like dude been on in office for like 2 terms, and this still his first go round, man. I'm like, this fool, he more concerned with calling black folks the N-word and trying to keep Mexicans out of the United States by building a damn wall than what's going on in the world. You know what I'm saying? That stuff is it's really tripping me out over here. I don't know what to really think about that, man. It's just got me so doggone throw it in the head. I'm just at a loss, and still got something to say about it, man. I know for sure I'm gonna vote this next time. I mean, shoot. I mean, like, if you don't put your stamp down and represent, and you ain't got nothing to say after that. If you don't vote, shut up. Go sit over there somewhere. Sip on some sweet tea or something from Popeyes. I don't know what to tell you, but dig this here. It's like what I really got on here to talk about was what's going on with me in 2020. You know what I'm saying? I've been out of work for a minute, and I've been trying to get my disability approved for a minute. A minute means since 2003. Man, I done had a whole gang of lawyers, like about 5, 6, 7 different lawyers, and keep getting denials and keep having to reapply and all like this here. Man, scratch that plan, man. Them fools. I'm working on something bigger than that little $600-700 check they was gonna give me a month, man. My vision is way bigger than that. I done went to school, no college, got me a little associate's degree in business management and accounting. You know what I'm saying? That took like about a little over a year and a half, and I graduated cum laude. You know what I'm saying? I put it down for one time for the hood. You know what I'm saying? Got my GPA was like 6.63 and some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I was getting my egghead on. You know what I'm saying? This was all just during my spare time. So I'm like trying to get my head right and get back in that rat race, as they call it, talking about. So I'm watching YouTube videos and looking at this one video. It kept popping up, this ad or whatever, you know what I'm saying, about these overages. It's like this dude named Bob Diamond. He be like, doing overages. I'm like, let me see what they're talking about. What the heck is some overages? Let me explain that for you. Somebody didn't pay their property tax, so their house got sold. The government gonna get their money. You already know that. Property tax. Let's just say they owed like $5,000 in property tax, right? They sell that house, and what's left over after they get their little $5,000 is called an overage. So let's just say they sold a house for like $50,000. The government got their little 5,000. They put that to the side, and that 45,000 is what's left over after Uncle Sam got his little kickback. That 45,000 belongs to the previous owner. Now, where I come in, I'm playing an auditor. I look at all these lists with names on them from people that done lost their house, and I get in contact with them and tell them, "Hey, government holds some money that belong to you. Mind if I work on your behalf and try to recover these extra funds?" You know what I'm saying? I get my cut. My percentage is gonna be like 45, 50% of what I get back for you. They say yeah, then I go ahead and I ship them they 55, 50% or whatever, and then I skip on down the yellow brick road, put some little extra money in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta get them bills paid. You know what I'm saying? All right, yeah. So in the meantime, you know, student loan, these people they keep calling me, telling them fools, my pocket's a little flat right now. I'm gonna have to get back to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to block them fools because they gonna make me go postal up in that little thing. You know what I'm saying? Holler at Bin Laden, tell them go handle them fools for me, man. They getting on my nerves, bro, making me lose some sleep, man. How I make the big money? Okay, so like I fast forward, get back to the slab. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this money, right? The over, they call excessive funds. No, another word that they call them or whatever, besides, overages or whatever. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Man, it's been real hectic over here. You know what I'm saying? It's like you trading your manual labor where you standing on your feet in a factory or McDonald's or wherever you getting your grind on at, doing your 9 to 5. It's tit for tat with this overages thing. This is like a blue collar gig, where you sit at a desk and you make your living off of getting these overages, excessive funds for people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Trying to do. I met a friend or a business partner or whatever you want to call her. And you'll say her name. Shout out, who you are. And we've been tag teaming. I get the list. I find out. I skip trace the contact information. She was supposed to have been doing the calling, contacting the person, saying, "Yeah, this is what we're trying to do, blah blah blah, with the rule, whatever. You want us to help you get this little money right quick." So she kind of flipped the script on me and gave me a number and said, "Don't be so scared, man. Go ahead and get that money, bro." So I made a phone call. My first time, calling one person. He was like, "Unfortunately, someone is already on our case, but thanks." And then he hung up on me. So I thought it was kind of rude, but I was like, forget it. But man, dig this here. I can't remember how much he owed, like for him not paying his taxes or whatever. But the overage was for $421,000. My cut of that would have been like 200 and okay, it'd been over 200 damn dollars. You know what I'm saying? Then I had to split that with my partner, so I came out with like 100 and some change over. And after going a few months without a debt gun check, and then you get a check from the government doing some real estate, and to the tune of 100,000 that go into your pocket. My mouth watering over here. Let me take a little sip of this beverage here because I'm getting a little dry mouth because I ain't been talking this much in a while. But I'm excited for what I'm trying to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see that first check for real, for real. Yeah. So that's that's pretty much the main thing of what I'm working on right now. Like I said, I've been out of work for a minute, and disability folks at the SSI office playing games, so I had to switch up my gameplay. This whole COVID-19, it ain't gonna stop no real hustler from getting them chips, you know what I'm saying? Forget all the dumb stuff. Hey, I'll go to the internet on their ass, and hey, they gonna pay me, damn it. I promise you, the government, they're gonna be mad about it because what they doing is not telling you these people that done lost their house that they owe this money. So if they don't just like come to the county clerk's office and say, hey man, y'all holding some of my money. I want my mother bread. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all need to go ahead and drop that off right quick. And you only got like say a year. It depends on like what state you working in, like living in or whatever. It's like to be from a year to like up to 3 to 5 years. But like it's the thing though, they owe you this doggone money. And they don't put no effort to tell you, okay, Mr. So and so, Sister so and so, you owe this money, and here you go. All you got to do is put in this claim form, and we'll fast forward to your funds. You know what I'm saying? But no, they don't do that. They gonna do something. It's called as cheating, where if you don't come up there and ask for your bread, they get to keep it. And like I said, they done already got they kickback from the whole sale of the tax sale or whatever. So they got their little 5,000, and they want to keep your 45,000. That extra little money that's left over, man. If you don't come get it, they get to keep that stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's some dirty boy. I'm saying, well, whenever I meet him, I'm gonna up in here, up in here. These folks, I can't. They ain't gonna make me lose sleep. I'm gonna get this little money. Got me messed up. He messed all the way messed up. Get off of this sandwich. They got the doggone thing like it's damn near duct tape. The tape they put on this something. I swear, man, this is like some damn super glue plastic. They done put on this something. Mm. Swear, I ain't never. I mean, if I was hungry, well, I am hungry, but I ain't down. I probably starved. I had to go get this son of a bitch up and sure. Need some scissors or something. Okay. I got some bitch up. Man, I should have brought me a dadgum knife. Good. I'm gonna tear this in half. what's good with y'all, man? Tell me what's up. What's going on in y'all? Just squared away right quick. Damn. Rich. Okay. Oh, fucking back's killing me. Okay. Now, like I've been saying, damn Trump and his little wall. Um, um, student loan, they gonna get their little money when I get my little money. I'm gonna pay that whole thing off and buy me a damn Yukon Denali XL. I'm gonna buy that 2021 on they funky ass. I got to show off because it's like these relatives that I've been related to, excuse me, they ain't acting like family, so I'm gonna just call them relatives. Keep it like that. 'Cause I ain't trying to just get this super pissed off and just start ranting and raving because my mother's in the other room and I don't want her to bust in here. What the heck is wrong with you? And call 5 they would get my blood to boiling just that damn bad. Well, I just flip out and start naming names, and I swear to God, I'm reserve that after I get my first check, I'm gonna be like, nah, talk that now. Oh yeah, he's still in with his mama, and he old as dirt. So, what? Shit, I can't depend on none of you, mother. Okay, you see, I told you it's like they damn every single relative I'm blood related to. Even some of them folks that adopted it can kiss my high yellow hairy butthole. How about that? I swear. Man, I got no damn napkin. Oh, shit. I ain't gonna let these. None of it, nothing drive me insane over here. I promise you. And if ain't nothing I can do about it, I'm gonna let God handle it. How about that? He the only one that can fix it. I promise you. It's anything that you can't handle, you better take it to God and drop it on that altar. It's like just a little too. That's about it. I mean, I'm not. Can't do nothing shit in my head about it. I see when I think too long about it, I start turning club hope. I flip this whole bed over, even when I'm disabled. Like, y'all ever seen a disabled person just like get up out of a wheelchair and just like walk up to somebody and kick their ass, and they're supposed to be paralyzed from the waist down? I ain't paralyzed or nothing like, that damn severe, but I have had operations on both of my legs, on both of my knees when I was around 15, 16 years old. And I got a pinched nerve in my lower back. And these, like I said, these fools, they want to prove my disability case, and I've been trying to get it since 2003. It's in God's hands, I tell you. Like, it's a reason why God making me go through this. And for the life of me, I mean, it's just everything is happening. It's all gonna be towards God's glory. Because I can't. There's very little else that I can do about it. I done prayed about it. Prayed about it. Asked for help. People said get a different lawyer and do this and that as far as the disability goes. And my friend who I just got off the phone with, what's up, J Dub? I finally made this video, nickel. Thought I was just bull crapping. Yeah, I'm getting it in up here on YouTube. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm gonna get that YouTube money when y'all like and subscribe and put some comments on the down there below. You know where the comment at, man. I'll be acting all brand new on my YouTube channel, man. Let me snap on y'all, man. You know what it is. Lord, I tell you, just have to shake my head about it, y'all. I mean, I'm gonna try my best to keep it PG over here and not swear too much. I know what the kids over here all on YouTube. That's another thing I hate about minors and stuff. They be all on Instagram and Facebook and just all kind of social media. And to the last I heard, I know you had to be 18 or 16, 18 or something over. And I've been like, just like all in the DMs and stuff. Hey, call me dirty on that, whatever the hell you want. But when I find out they underage, they get blocked. I mean, I ain't trying to have no internet just shut my whole whatever YouTube, social media I'm on, just shut that down because somebody got wind that he been all in my inbox and asking, oh girl, this and this. Cut it short. Cut it short. I said, funny, huh? Tell you what, then you get sandwiches, it sure is dry. Try to put some mayonnaise on it. Glad I didn't put it in the microwave to heat it up. It wouldn't fit in the microwave for one. This thing, it's like we got a 900-watt microwave, and you can see this thing was like 18 inches long, 18, 20 inches long, so it wouldn't fit. But yeah, this thing, it could use some kind of sauce, so I guess they thought it would be getting soggy or something. They put it on there. Put this ranch in there, like that was going to be enough for this big ass sandwich. I forget what rapper, what the name of the song. Of course was, I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about nothing. Can't remember the name of the song, but like I said, I'm not gonna keep losing no sleep overnight. My blessing, as many times as I done got taken advantage of, when I did have money, and people just like they take advantage of the nice guy. Then when the nice guy ain't got it no more, they skip on down the little yellow big road. But yeah, I got a trick for their ass. You see me in that Bentley, you see me in that Yukon Denali XL, and you end up seeing me in that Rose Cullinan. Don't lift your hand and say hi. Don't call me. Matter of fact, block my number. There's too many of y'all for me to just name all of y'all who I'm gonna burn. Just believe this here. Blood related or just cross paths in any kind of way. And you ain't making no effort to like just stay in contact with me, say what's up, see how I'm doing, especially seeing that my mom is a little overprotective about the company that I got or used to hang out with or whatever. You can still call, but okay, yeah, whatever. Just consider yourself written out the rest of the chapters in the book of my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm done. I ain't finna chase your ass down. And, hey, what's up, man? Ain't heard from you in a while. Kiss my high yellow. Okay, man. Let me just get a. I don't know. About this sounds like dang. I lost my appetite thinking about these. Mm-mm. They put like one slice of bacon on this whole sub. Like, I should take it back up there, throw it across the town, and tell them to get their mind right. I didn't think I was going to be talking as long as I have. It's been over 30 minutes. Uh, excuse me. Yeah. Guess I'm gonna just end it on that note. Get sandwich. About to drive. It's the last I'm eating tonight, but anyway, y'all got anything y'all want to say? Y'all know what to do. Put it in a comment, like, comment, subscribe. Help your boy out because with this YouTube, that may be my new main source of income. If I can get to 100 or 1,000 or one day 1,000,000 subscribers, I'll be making that YouTube money, dog. Thank y'all for tuning in. I holla.